Hey everybody, wanted to show you our nice customer here that came in and wanted to get some work on his Roxor. Dropped it off a couple days ago. We did a leveling kit, set of 285 Coopers, did a turn signal kit, DOT windshield, wiper kit yet to be installed. Come down in under here, got some nice Rancho shocks, red and white to match the unit. This one's gonna be street legal, emissions compliant, but we did do a catback exhaust, put a nice little black tip on there like he wanted. You got a tune, speed limiter removal, little bump in power. Went with the lockouts, having the bigger wheels and tires. This will be finished up next week. Just kind of excited to do a little walk around. These things are so fun to put together, and it's amazing what just a set of wheels and tires and a few things will do to them. Stay tuned.